The DIGI ConnectCore 8M Nano Development Kit is a flexible platform for developing connected and scalable industrial, medical, transportation, and agricultural products using the DIGI ConnectCore 8M Nano System-on Module. The ConnectCore 8M Nano System-on Module is based on the NXP i.MX 8M Nano processor, which includes 4 ARM Cortex-A53 cores plus an ARM Cortex-M7 core. The module provides pre-certified dual-band 802.11 A, B, G, N, and AC 1x1 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 wireless connectivity, as well as display and camera interfaces with hardware acceleration, plus extensive security functions, connectivity, and external memory interfaces. It also has DIGI Microcontroller Assist, which provides security, peripheral support, system reliability operation, and advanced power management functions, including ultra-low power modes that drop current consumption below 3 microamps. By using the SOM, designers and developers can reduce R&D and development costs. Its 40 by 45mm DIGI SMT Plus form factor combines reliability and design flexibility in a compact footprint. It also allows users to leverage DIGI Trust Fence for device security, identity, and privacy, and DIGI Remote Manager for remote monitoring and management. The development kit allows users to leverage the SOM's capabilities and add hardware to extend functionality. It includes a dual-band antenna that connects to the kit via an SMA connector. It offers HDMI and LVDS interfaces, as well as 2 DIGI XP sockets to add cellular, short-range, or long-range connectivity modules. The kit also has Gigabit Ethernet, CAN FD, and RS-485 for wired connectivity, as well as a microSD slot for storage. And to learn more about DIGI's ConnectCore 8M Nano System-on Module and its development kit, visit Mouser.com.